The Lost Teddy Bear. Lily has a favorite teddy bear named Mr. Bear. She takes him everywhere she goes. Mr. Bear is very special to Lily because he was a gift from her grandmother. Lily loves Mr. Bear and sleeps with him every night. One day, Lily and her little brother Timmy go to the park. They bring Mr. Bear along for the fun. At the park, they play on the swings and slide. Mr. Bear sits on the picnic blanket, watching them play. After a while, it is time to go home. Lily and Timmy pack up their things and leave the park. Lily realizes that Mr. Bear is missing. She looks around but cannot find him. She starts to cry because she is very upset. Timmy helps Lily search for Mr. Bear. They ask people at the park if they have seen him. They look under the benches and around the playground. They don't find Mr. Bear anywhere. As they are about to give up, a kind woman approaches them. She is holding Mr. Bear. She found him near the swings. Lily is so relieved and happy to have Mr. Bear back. She thanks the woman and hugs Mr. Bear tightly. On the way home, Lily and Timmy talk about how important it is to be careful with their things. Lily promises to keep Mr. Bear safe from now on. She feels grateful for the woman's kindness and is glad to have her special teddy bear back. I've prepared a few questions, and I'll give you 10 seconds to think of the answer. Then, I'll give you the correct answer. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Why is Mr. Bear special to Lily? A. He is a gift from her grandmother. B. He is new. C. He is big and soft. Question 2. Where does Lily realize that Mr. Bear is missing? A. At the park. B. On the way home. C. At home. Question 3. What does Lily and Timmy do before they realize Mr. Bear is missing? A. They play on the swings. B. They sit and eat a snack. C. They pack up their things to leave the park. Question 4. Who finds Mr. Bear? A. A kind woman. B. Timmy. C. The park keeper. Question 5. What does Lily promise to do at the end of the story? A. To bring Mr. Bear to the park again. B. To keep Mr. Bear safe from now on. C. To give Mr. Bear to Timmy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.